A southern Indiana teenager is standing trial accused of raping another student on their school bus. Landon Doughty was arrested last year after police say a 7-year-old autistic child was sexually assaulted.
Alexis Matthews was inside the Jennings County courtroom as witnesses took the stand today.
On the second day of this trial, but the first day of evidence, more than a handful of witnesses on behalf of the prosecution took the stand.
This investigation began for you on the late morning or early afternoon of April 17th. Is that correct?
Correct.
North Vernon teenager Landon Doughty is being tried as an adult nearly a year after he was arrested on a dozen felony charges, accused of raping another student on the bus. Investigators say the 7-year-old victim, who is autistic and nonverbal, sat in the same seat as Doughty, who was 15 at the time. The alleged sexual assault, first reported by a bus monitor, was captured on video, which jurors will see as the trial continues.
Once it elevated, after the police got involved, obviously, we needed to see if there was other things on the tape. You know, what else could be there.
Witnesses are not being identified per a court order by the judge. A juvenile classmate of Doughty's had compelling testimony that could not be recorded, but jurors heard that Doughty told him he had his way with the boy on the bus. The defense attorney argued the claim was made before the date of the reported assault and questioned why the witness did not immediately tell authorities but posted the claims on social media. Also presented in court, DNA evidence taken from both Doughty and the victim, with the defense arguing that Doughty's DNA was not found on the victim.
You didn't come to any conclusion that Landon Doughty's DNA was included in any of those swabs. Is that right?
That statement is correct.
The trial is expected to be speedy, with jurors deliberating as soon as Wednesday. If convicted, Doughty is facing a max of 16 years in prison. In Jennings County, Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.